Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello everybody, and welcome to episode number 102. It's been such an incredible week. I just can't believe it. It's only Thursday. I usually record this podcast on a Monday, and I had my 500k club clients in the room on Monday, in my office on Monday and Tuesday. It was fantastic. It was so good to have three amazing clients that are go-getters in the room with me, in here, following me in my room, in my office, in my video room. We did so much stuff. We recorded reels together. It was just so good to have them here and just like not be alone in business, you know. Okay, I've got my team and I love my team and they're amazing, but you know, having other people in the office and work together and like having them really watch me work, it was just so much fun. And I get a little bit geeky and I'm like, oh my god, I never look at this, and then we do it this way, and then we save it here, and then my team does that, and then, you know, they transcribe it and then it comes back to me, and then they give me ideas for videos, and then how do this. It was just so much fun for me to, you know, showcase and show everything that we do. It was just like too much fun. I loved it. And I was like, okay guys, we have to do this again. We have to come back. We have to do this again. And it was great because we all have a really good, successful week after that. And I had just been to Sunshine Coast, and I want to tell you this story because sometimes we are so hard on ourselves, and sometimes we just like think, oh my gosh, this is happening and I'm such a failure, and we're just so hard on ourselves. And so I had an event and I had a workshop in Sunshine Coast, and we had some problem with our ads, and then we've got some problem with Facebook, and I was in like Facebook jail for a couple of days. I was like, no. And so you may lose the momentum in advertising. And anyway, long story short, what happened is that we got only 15 people saying yes to our event, which was such a small number, right? So after COVID, our numbers dropped really big time. We used to get between 70 to 100 registrations, and then in the room between 30 to 60, 65, sometimes 70. So it was amazing, right? And I mean, my brain is saying that, you know, I'm a failure now because after COVID, we're not getting as many people in the room, and I teach people how to get bums and seats. I'm a failure, and I'm a fraud, and I'm an imposter, and I should just go and, you know, just do a different job and give up on everything. And that's what happens in my brain. And I manage it, and I use it. And I don't let that take over me. Not every day, sometimes it does, but most days I can work on it and go like, no, brain, this is not happening. Anyway, I get to Sunshine Coast and I'm driving there and I'm thinking a bit deflated, going like, oh gosh, like we're driving all the way to Sunshine Coast. I'm getting someone with me. We've got a really good venue, so this venue cost. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like, you know, this is, and I'm thinking like, this is not that good. What am I going to do with this, right? So I'm being very vulnerable, everybody. So I just was like, I don't know what's going to happen. And I got there and there's like 2 people coming in, and then another 2 people. And it's literally 5 minutes to 9. We're starting at 9 and there's only 5 people in the room. I'm like, this is a disaster. How am I going to present from 4 people? I was just like, oh my gosh, like what am I going to do? And I don't give up face-to-face event because I have never stopped them throughout COVID. I didn't have to, thank goodness. Here in Queensland we are okay, but people mindset, like we haven't got as many people in the room as we used to, and it could be my mindset actually, not just people mindset. But anyway, we haven't got as many people in the room, and I have really felt like a fraud because that's what I teach, and we have pivoted online. We're getting more people online, but still I'm not loving the online. I love face-to-face. I want to go back to the face-to-face, okay? I feel very vulnerable about this subject. Anyway, I go to the bathroom and I'm like, okay, Francesca, you need to get your shit together. You need to stop whinging. You need to stop being in your head. There is 4 amazing souls in this room. You're going to serve them. You're going to be the best version of yourself. You're going to have the time of your life. You're going to show up for them as if there was 200 people in the room. Let's go. And I come back in the room and there was 2 more people waiting in the line. And then there was 1 more person coming in and then another 1 person coming in. And I was like, oh my gosh, all of a sudden there's 80 people in the room. I'm like, this is fantastic. Then one person, unfortunately, something happened to her family and she had to run. And she was like, no, I'm desperate. I need to go. I'll be back. So we remain 7. But that's okay. So it was the best room ever. We had the best time. We laughed, we cried, we literally shared everything. It was just like next level connections. And I was like, do you know what? This is my jam. This is what I love doing. This is who I am. People, can you see my passion? And they were like, we can. And it was so much fun. You guys won't believe it. So as you know, my 4-hour signature workshop is where I teach a lot about how to grow your coaching business, how to move from one-on-one to one-to-many, how to transition, where to start from right now. What is your next step? And then I offered for people that are keen to have a conversation with me on how Mafia Academy would be, for the business. What could do, what could happen in the business if they follow my strategy and all of that. So anyway, out of 7 people, all 7 booked a call for me to know more about Mafia Academy. And out of 7, 6 became Mafians. Shut the front door. $75,000 day. So I just wanted to today talking about money mindset and mindset in general in business, but focusing on money mindset, on how much we let our brain think that, I need thousands of people for me to be able to make $75,000. I need, a room of 200 people. I need, 2 years or I need, 6 months to make 75,000. And yet when you have the money mindset, when you can catch yourself on the mindset, because I don't have a money mindset all the time, right? Because a few months back, I had not very good months. And I was like, okay, what's going on? And I go and I get a knowledge and I go like, okay, something is happening in my brain. I'm sort of like going to a negative Nancy period. Let's go. I get a coach. I get someone that can help me to see what's happening in my brain, in my thoughts, and we sort it out so that I can actually continue doing what I do. And I help my clients with their more money mindset. So my question to you is, when I say that story, when I told you all that, what were you thinking? Were you thinking, yeah, I can't believe it, Francesca Moi was failing. She only had 7 people in the room. I wonder how that this pans out. And then all of a sudden you hear that I made $75,000 in a room of 7. You're like, wait, what? Wait, what just happened? Wait, what? Right? So listen, anything is possible when you just stop being in your head. I could have showed up in that room and go like, this is not worth my time. There's only 7 people in the room. Oh my gosh, what am I doing here? Do you know who I am? I could have done all of that, right? Do you know how I used to speak in front of 70 people? This is such a waste. But I could have done all of that, which my brain wanted to do all of that. And then I catch my brain. I said, no, we're not doing that. We're not going to be staying in my brain. I'm not going to be resentful for these 7 amazing souls that decided to spend the day with me. I'm going to make the most out of this. I'm going to help them. I'm going to coach them. I'm going to do everything I can. And if I'm lucky enough to have a couple of people who want to work with me, that will be a freaking amazing. And if they don't, I will still love them and I'll still support them and I'll still do everything for them today. And it turns out the 6 out of 7 did it. And the 7th one just didn't qualify. It's not that lucky, nothing else. It's just that person that wasn't really the right fit, and I wasn't right fit probably for her either. So it was fantastic to love her and leave her, right? So think about this. Where is your mindset? What do you do? What do you do when you don't make money? What do you do when you don't have the numbers? What do you do every day in your business? Are you focusing on money-making activities? Are you working on your money mindset? Are you getting a coach that can help you with that? In the Mafia Academy, I do a lot of that with my clients. I help them with mindset. I help them with, consciousness. I help them with creating amazing packages and offers. We help them create that one workshop. This one workshop that I ran made over 5 millions. Over 5 millions for me in the last 5 years. How would you like that? How would you like to learn how to have the one workshop how to structure it, how to teach it, how to feel it, how to delegate all the stuff that you don't like doing, how to speak on that stage, how to convert them, how to get them into a call, how to do all of that and make $75,000 in a simple 4-hour workshop. From a room that wasn't even filled. There was only 7 people in the room, but there was the 7 amazing right people. That is because I have so much trust. I've been out there a lot. Everybody knows about me now on social media. I'm the expert at the workshop. People know that if they've got a coaching business, I am the woman for them. So all of that work, it's the compound effect all those days that I've done nothing but talking to a wall. It felt like I was talking to a wall, but I wasn't. And so one of the things that I wanted to talk to you about is that a lot of people make decisions into joining academies or joining courses, and then they doubt the decision. They make a decision and they doubt it. They make a decision and they doubt it. And until you continue to doubt what your decision you make in your business, until you give yourself hard time for past decisions you make, and you start accepting them and go like, I made the decision in the past and it was the right decision, and I'm gonna get the best out of this. I'm gonna make the learning and I'm gonna do all of that. Until that happens, we're not gonna be able to make the most out of that course, the academy, that coach, or whatever that decision was. So watch that. Watch your brain of yours. I say your business is a 3D printout of your thoughts. We need to get awareness of where our mind get lost into fraud, into doubt, into lack, and we can't move forward. We need to have a look on how that is affecting our bank account. You need to have a look at what is affecting your bank account. Most likely is your mindset. So how would you react if you were about to go on stage in a room of 7 people? How would you be? What would be your mindset like? How would you catch yourself? What would you do? This is one of the most important things that I can share with you guys, is like the story on how I can overcome my fear, my brain, my thoughts on the spot, on the day, while it was happening, so that I can make the most out of the day, out of my months, make the most end of 2021. So everybody, if you're listening to this, listen, just get yourself a favor and find a coach. If you've been listening to my podcast and you feel like I'm the right coach for you, stop waiting and start doing. There are grants available for lots of people. You can get yourself a grant. You can put yourself out there. You can do so much. Stop waiting and start doing. If you haven't joined my workshop, Secret for Coaches, there are lots of training in there, and it was been not long ago, I think it was actually last week, we did a training on grants. So you're going to be able to watch it back and see how you can get a grant to join my Mafia Academy, or you can actually hustle to make that happen too. You don't need a grant. You don't need to borrow money. You can find the money too, because money is everywhere. Money is the energy. Everybody can do money. Everybody can get money. It's not just you, it's not just me, everybody. It's just that people sometimes don't think. I was talking to someone yesterday actually about this. This is a very interesting thing. So I was saying, how much money do I make? And this person was like, oh, it's not about money. I want to help people. And I said, I get it. I totally get it. And guess what? If you don't make enough money, you're not going to be able to help enough people. Because money open doors, give us opportunities. You'll be able to hire people. You'll be able to expand your business. You'll be able to take things to a whole new level. Or you can just be able to give $200,000 to people that needs it. But why would you say no to money? Why would you choose to say that you're not really about money? Why? Does that make you a better person? Do you feel proud? Why? I find it very fascinating how many people play small because they think that when they say the words, I'm not about money, they're better than people that are about money. I am proud to be someone that I love money. I love money, and it's okay, because money gave me opportunity to not only reach 4,500 people that have been to my workshops, not only make an impact in my group now it's got 10,500 people, but I've had actually in my business over 20 people work for me. And those 20 people, I know for sure I've opened doors that they would have never seen, or they didn't see until they worked with me, that's for sure. I've opened doors for them to believe in themselves. Lots of people that work with me, they now have their own businesses. And I'm so proud of them. I mean, when they left to start a business, it hurt. But then I work on my own mindset and I realized that I've inspired them to do that. And they told me that, and that was fine. So business, having money, will be able to give opportunity to other people as well. So never, ever, ever say no to money. Find a way for you to believe in enough that money is everywhere and there's enough for everybody. It's not that if you make money, then there's no money for someone else. There is enough money for everybody. And when you learn that, and when you understand that, when you understand you deserve that money, that you're worth it, and with the money you can do good, money doesn't change people. Money just enhances the person that you are. So if you're generous, when you get money, you're even more generous. If you're a giver, when you get money, you give even more. But let's stop hide behind the idea that I'm not about money. I don't need money. I don't need much. Okay, make a lot and give a whole of it away if you don't want to keep it. But don't say no to it. I want to prove. I want to prove that I can achieve anything I want. I can make as much money as I want. I made $75,000 in a day. What else is possible? If I made, let me calculate that. Wait a minute. I'm actually doing it right now. $75,000 if I made it every single day of the year, that would be a $26 million business. Can you believe it? And let's pretend that I don't make that every day, but I choose to make that, half of that. Wait, 150 days of a year. I will make 11 million. It's possible. If I done it once, I can do it every single day. I can choose to do that, or I can choose not to. It's okay. But I want to make sure that when I choose it, it's not from a fear space. If I don't want to work that hard, it's okay. But there is a chance for me to do that if I wanted to. And I know that it will be possible if I chose to do that. And I want you to explore that. And if you explore it and then you still choose to make no money, it's okay. But let's try it on. Try on the opportunity, the chance for you to see if you can make as much money as possible. I would love to hear, how is that? How would that look like for you? If you can have the chance to go like, you know what? I'm going to make as much money as possible. All right, guys, before I log out for the day, I was going to give a shout out to our amazing attendees that we had in the last workshops. We have people in Brisbane and online and in the Sunny Coast. And out of that, we have over 12 people joining the Mafia Academy in the last 30 days. It's been an incredible privilege for me to be able to serve so many people. Now, remember, I come from a place that when I used to do national tours before COVID, we used to welcome 30 to 40 people every single time. And it was fantastic. It was so beautiful. And we finally, thank goodness, going back to those times and to those days, 2022 is going to be our year. So I wanted to give you a shout out. If you haven't been to a masterclass of mine, if you haven't, learned from me, get yourself into one of them. I've done 192 masterclasses, I have over 4,500 people attending and made over $5 million from it. So if you want to run classes, workshops, programs, retreats, I am the person to show you how to do that, how to fill them, how to create them, how to transform people with it, how to convert the right people in, and how to make all of this systemize and delegate what you don't want to do to some virtual assistant that can do it for you. I look forward to see you next time. If you enjoyed this podcast, leave me a review. There is actually a challenge going around on social media, definitely on my group. So check it out on how you can win a prize if you leave an amazing review for me. All right, everybody. I look forward to see you on next week. Bye, everybody. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.